All right, so now in this next video, what I want to do is I just want to show you how that we can modify the look of our sidebar a little bit. Like, as you can see right now, this is the sidebar area, and you can see there's just a lot of stuff in there. Like, I don't mind having recent posts show up, but all these different things in here, like I don't have many comments, I don't need my archives in here. I don't need a lot of the stuff that is on the right hand side here. I just don't need it. It clutters everything up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in this video how we can clean that area up. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Appearance and then Widgets. Okay? And you can see right now all these things are in this main sidebar that I just don't want. So all that you have to do is pull out what you don't want. I don't want comments in there. I don't want archives. I don't want categories. Or, you know what, we'll leave categories for now. I definitely don't want metadata. And you know what, I truthfully, I don't want categories right now. But let's say I do want links. I don't want anything else. And then I want to add a little text area though. So I do. And I'll call this some great deals. I can name it anything, but I'm going to add in some advertising later on. Can show different links. We can show different posts. Okay, how many different posts. But I'm going to just go ahead and save this. And now when I refresh this page, you're going to see this whole sidebar area has been transformed. Right? You just see we got our Blogroll. We'll leave that there for now because I'll show you how to add some new links to your Blogroll in just a little bit. But as you can see, it's just a little bit neater over here. Okay, it's not as crowded as it was before. So all that you have to do is go to Appearance and then Widgets, and then you can drag things in and out of wherever you want. I'm actually going to get rid of that text. And then you can see when I refresh this page, bam, that's gone. All right, I will see you in the next video.